I was broke 3 months ago. And not the cute, oh, I can't afford Starbucks today kind of broke. I'm talking real broke. The type where your bank app loads slower because even it's embarrassed. The type where you open your fridge and it echoes. The type where you have to choose between gas or groceries because you can't afford both. Yeah, that level. And then one idea changed everything. Not luck, not a lottery ticket, not some rich uncle magically appearing. One single idea. The idea that maybe I don't need a better job, I need a better strategy. And that idea took me from zero to $10,000 a month in just 90 days. Today, I'm going to tell you the real story of what happened. The good, the bad, the embarrassing parts, the wins, the sleepless nights, and the exact steps you can copy if you want to start your own side hustle journey this year. Because if I could do this from rock bottom, trust me, you're sitting on a gold mine you don't even know about yet. Chapter 1. The moment everything broke. It started on a Wednesday. I remember because I just gotten paid. And somehow by noon, my bank account already looked like it had been robbed. Rent, bills, groceries, gas, random subscription I forgot to cancel, gone. I opened my banking app and saw $27.19. That number haunts me. I sat there thinking, I'm in my 20s. I work hard. I'm not lazy. So why do I feel like I'm sprinting on a treadmill while everyone else is moving up? That's when I realized something painful but honest. I can't save my way out of being broke. I have to earn more. But how? I didn't have money to invest. I didn't have time to start a full business. I didn't have skills I thought were valuable. But I did have Wi-Fi. I did have determination. And I did have a brain that was tired of losing. So I made a decision. For 90 days, I would treat building income like my life depended on it. Spoiler, it kind of did. Chapter 2. The search for the thing. The first week was rough. I tried everything. Surveys, waste of time. Drop shipping, filled my soul with pain. Crypto, let's not talk about it. But then I heard something that changed my life forever. Money flows to people who solve problems. The question wasn't, how do I make money? The real question was, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? So I made a list of things people constantly struggle with. Small businesses needing online presence, busy people needing help with tasks, content creators needing editing, companies needing online marketing, people needing digital design. I wasn't an expert at any of those, but I didn't need to be. I only needed to be better than someone who had zero idea how to do it. Chapter 3. Day 10. The skill that changed everything. Around day 10, I discovered the skill that opened the door. Short-form content editing. Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. Everyone needed it. Creators, businesses, coaches, restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, and people were paying $20, $50, some even $100 per video. I thought, wait, I can learn this in a week. And that's exactly what I did. I binge-watched tutorials, I reverse-engineered viral videos, I downloaded CapCut, DaVinci, Premiere, everything. At first, my videos looked like a 2007 PowerPoint presentation. But by day 15, I was good. Good enough to make someone else look good. Chapter 4. Day 20. My first client. I went on Instagram. I found a local fitness coach posting blurry, boring videos. I DM'd him, "Give me one of your clips. I'll edit it for free. If you like it, hire me. If not, no worries." He sent it. I edited it. He posted it. It got 5 times more views than usual. Next message. "Bro, this is crazy. How much for 10 videos a month?" I tried to act calm when I replied, but I was sweating harder than him in his workout videos. $300. He agreed in 30 seconds. I had officially created my first online income stream, $300. It wasn't $10,000, but it was $300 more than I had the day before. And it proved something. I can do this. Chapter 5, Week 4, The Snowball Effect. Once I got one client, I used it like a badge of honor. I edited good work. I posted the before and after on TikTok. I posted on Instagram. I posted on LinkedIn. I messaged gyms, restaurants, influencers, and small businesses. I help people grow using short-form videos. Want a free sample? Most ignored me. That's normal. But the ones that said yes, game changers. By the end of week 4, I had one fitness client, $300 a month, one real estate agent, $450 a month, and one local restaurant, $350 a month. Total, $1,100 a month. And the insane part, that was only month 1.
Chapter 6, Month 2, The Upgrade. This is the month everything exploded. I stopped thinking like a freelancer and started thinking like a business owner. I created a simple system. Client records raw videos. Client uploads to Google Drive. I download, edit, export. They receive 10 to 30 videos a month. I get paid like clockwork. And now that I had a system, guess what? I could take more clients without working twice as hard. I raised my prices. 300 became 500. 500 became 800. High volume clients became $1,200. And then something wild happened. A creator with 350K followers DM'd me back. He wanted 60 videos per month. I quoted $1,500. He replied, "Let's do it." That message sent a chill down my spine. I went from broke to charging 1.5K per client. It felt unreal. By the end of month 2, my income looked like this. 6 clients total, average $700 each, total $4,200 a month. And here's the crazy part. I was working less than at my regular job. Chapter 7, Month 3, The 10K Breakthrough. Okay, this is where things get crazy. Day 63. A business coach sees my videos and says, "Can you manage my entire content system?" I didn't even know what that meant, but I said yes. We hopped on a call, and he offered $3,000 per month. One client, $3,000. I tried to answer professionally, but inside me, a small version of myself was doing cartwheels. Then another creator reached out. Then a gym franchise. Then a small supplement brand. My client list went from 6 to 10 to 12. And suddenly, I wasn't making $4,000 a month. I was making $10,187 for month 3. I stared at the number like it was a glitch. From $27 in my bank account to $10,000 plus a month in 90 days. Chapter 8. What I learned and what you can copy. Here's the truth. I'm not special. I'm not a genius. I'm not some business prodigy. I did 3 things really well. 1, I picked a skill people actually need. Not a trendy skill, not a random skill, a valuable skill that solves problems. Businesses need content. Creators need editors. People need someone to take work off their hands. Money flows to skills that save others time. 2, I gave free samples, but only strategically. I didn't beg for clients. I showed what I could do. When you offer value first, you flip the power. They chase you. 3, I treated this like a real business. I didn't wait to feel ready. I didn't wait for perfect gear. I didn't wait for confidence. Action creates clarity. Movement creates momentum. Chapter 9, what you should do in the next 24 hours. If you're watching this thinking, I want this too, listen carefully. You don't need editing skills. You don't need my exact path. You need a starting point. Here are the top side hustles that can take you from 0 to 10K a month. Short-form content editing, social media management, TikTok UGC content, AI-powered blog writing, local business marketing, thumbnail design, virtual assistants, video repurposing, podcast clipping, Instagram Reels growth. Pick one, not 5, not 10, one. Give yourself 30 to 90 days. If I could do this living off $27 with no savings and no plan, imagine what you can do starting today. Chapter 10, the ending that's really a beginning. Today, my life looks totally different. I'm not worried about rent. I'm not scared to check my bank app. I'm not living in survival mode anymore. I wake up excited. I choose my work. I choose my time. I choose my future. And the wild part is that this all started with one decision. I'm tired of being broke. If that's you today, you're at the starting line of something massive. You don't need permission. You don't need luck. You don't need a miracle. You just need one moment, one idea, one reason to start. And maybe this video is exactly that moment. If you want the full step-by-step system I used, comment 90-day plan below and I'll create it. If you want me to make scripts, thumbnails, or offer side hustle ideas based on your skills, just say, customize mine. Let's build your 10K per month story next. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. The Rich Turtle, signing out.